Hi friends, the cytoplasm is fluid content bounded by the plasma membrane. It also contains many specified cell organelles. Each of these organelles performs specific function for the cell. Let us know about these.
Like a Hellcat.
Cell organelles are enclosed by the membrane. Now let us know some cell organelles. They are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, plastids, vacuole, and ribosomes. 1. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is the network of membrane bounded sheet. It transfers this substance from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. It is abbreviated as ER. This ER is divided into two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum manufactures the fats and lipids, and rough endoplasmic reticulum manufactures the proteins, and it has the ribosomes on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in protein synthesis. Next, number 2. Golgi apparatus. The proteins and other substances produced in ribosomes reach to Golgi bodies through the vesicles. Here, these substances are alerted slightly. In one sense of function of the Golgi body is to pack various substances before they are transferred to other part of the cell. This Golgi body was observed by Camillo Golgi in the year of 1898. Next, third one is lysosomes. Lysosomes contains the digestive enzymes. It cleans the foreign materials which enters in the cell, and the lysosomes burst and the enzymes are released to digest the cell. Hence, these lysosomes are also known as suicidal bag of the cell. Fourth one is mitochondria. Mitochondria are small spherical or cylindrical organelle. It is above 150 times smaller than the nucleus. There are above 100 to 150 mitochondria in each cell. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration, a process through which the cells gets energy to do work. That's why reason this mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Number 5. Plastids. This plastids is present only in plant cells. Have you ever noticed that most of the plants are only in green color? This is because of it contains the pigment called chlorophyll. It is present in plastids. Mainly, these plastids are divided into three types: leucoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast. Leucoplasts are in white color and colorless, and chromoplasts are colored. It has the yellow and orange colors. Chloroplasts are in green colored. The primary function of chloroplast is to trap the energy from the sunlight, and it transfers to chemical energy. Thus, it helps in carrying out photosynthesis. Next, number 6 is vacuole. It is the storage bank of the cell. The large empty space present in cell are vacuole. They are fluid sac-like structure. In animal cell, the vacuole are very small, but in plant cell, the vacuole are large in size. An important function of this vacuole is to maintain the right pH level in the cell. Next, 7th one, ribosome. There are small gradual-like structure in cytoplasm are called ribosome. It is formed of RNA protein, and it attaches to the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of these ribosomes are the sites of the protein synthesis in the cell. Okay friends, let us summarize what we have learned in this video. Cell organelles are present in cytoplasm or perform specific functions. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis of proteins and lipids. Golgi apparatus helps in packing and transports of materials. Lysosomes break down unwanted substances, and it known as suicidal bag of the cell. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration and generates the energy, so it known as powerhouse of the cell. Plastids provide color to plants. They also produce food by photosynthesis. Vacuoles are the storage bank of the cell. and it also maintains the right pH level in cell. Ribosomes are the sites for the protein synthesis. Okay friends, thank you for watching. For latest updates, please subscribe our channel.